Hello everybody, Tim here, formerly with Chet's Auto. Now I'm on my own. I work for Your Mechanic now. I'm working on quite a few cars these days. What I got going on today is this 2007 Dodge Magnum. It had a no start problem. She thought it was a battery, so I brought a battery and everything, but turns out I don't need a battery. After hooking up my odometer to it, I found out that the vehicle has a bad alternator with a bad diode. And here's a classic bad diode symptom. I'll show it to you. Let me test alternator first. A bad diode, output 20 to 50 amps. It's charging good, but look at the lights on the inside, how they flicker. They flicker. That's caused from that bad diode. If I go down to my voltmeter test, you'll see that it has a ripple of 102 megahertz. That's twice what it should be. It shouldn't be over 50. It should be running about whatever the voltage is output of the alternator itself. So if the voltage is 13, it should be around 13. So this definitely has a bad alternator, with no doubt about it. And thanks to this odometer, I wouldn't know that, other than maybe if I paid attention to it and watched these interior lights. You can see them flickering. When they flicker like that, it's a bad diode. So you don't have to have this meter. It sure does help to have the right equipment to diagnose a problem like this. So what I'm going to tell the customer, I'm going to tell her battery is probably good. She just needs to replace the alternator, and her battery will more than likely charge back up and work for her. Anyway, that's Timothy. I work for Your Mechanic now. If you like this video, subscribe to me. Bye.